In this video, I have the 2019 Subaru Outback, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the steering wheel height. Okay, I'm sitting in the Outback now. An important part about being a good driver is making sure your steering wheel is at the right height. A lot of times it can impact your visibility depending on your height or your comfort. So let's see. The first step you need to do in order to change the height is you'll notice on the bottom part of the steering wheel there is a lever. You can go ahead and pull that lever down, and that's going to release the tensioner on the steering wheel. And you can move the steering wheel up or down, and it can actually even come in or out. You see that? It can come towards me more, and you can go up, down, or it can go away, up and down. So you figure out where your healthy balance is of what you want. So just for the sake of this video, I'll kind of put it in the middle here. And then the next point I want to make is the importance of the height of the steering wheel. So I am 5'10", 5'9", 5'10". I'm going to go ahead and put this camera at my eye level so you can see what I see. So if I have the steering wheel too low, notice how it starts to block some of my indicators on the dashboard here. I can't see all of the speedometer, and I can't see the RPMs, which is pretty critical to driving. So you have to make sure that the steering wheel is at the right height. If it's too high, at my height, it doesn't actually block my view. But let me go down to what my wife sees, who is a little bit shorter than me, at about 5'2". So this is probably what she sees. So if the steering wheel is too high, now it's blocking her visibility all of a sudden. If it's too low, she can still see the speedometer, but I think the important part here is if it's too high, you could see how it could actually block an element of her visibility. So it's important anytime you get into a vehicle that you know how to do this. So I like to try to center the steering wheel in between the top of the speedometer and right below the field of view from the windshield. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it in right here. And the way you lock it in, I should have just showed you. The way you lock it in is you just take this lever and you just push it right back up like that. All right, and that's how you adjust the height and the depth of your steering wheel in the 2019 Subaru Outback. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.